Hey Divi Nation, welcome to this brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a brand new beauty product layout pack that is sure to stun your visitors. Check it out. If you're looking for a fresh out-of-the-box design for your beauty product shop, this is the layout pack for you. This pack is uniquely designed for the beauty product niche, and it comes with outstanding image mockups that can be tailored to your needs. It also includes all the page layouts needed to get your website up and running quickly, including a shop page to feature your beauty products, a product page layout you can use for individual products, and much more. So go ahead and check it out. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new beauty product layout pack on your own website. Now, before you can start adding pre-made layouts to your Divi website from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options. Click the Updates tab. There, enter your username and API key and click Save Changes. After that, you should have access to all of our pre-made layouts, including this beauty product layout pack, without any problems. Now you're ready to start creating your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to those pages. To do that, go to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option to choose a pre-made layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, scroll down and find the new Beauty Product Layout Pack and select it. On the right, you'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack. Go ahead and select the one you want and then click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it, and you can continue editing this page however you want using the Divi Builder. When you're ready, you can go ahead and jump over to the next page and continue this same process to create all of the pages and then add these corresponding pre-made layouts to each of the pages. And once you're done adding all of those pages, you're ready to create a new primary menu for your website. To do that, let's go over to the WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance, Menus. Give your menu a name and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of those and add them to the menu. You can organize your menu items however you like under the menu structure area. And when you're done, don't forget to set the display location as primary menu and then click Save Menu. After that, you're ready for the final step, which is to give your site a static home page. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, select a static page. And then under the home page, select the home page with the corresponding pre-made home page layout. And then click Save Changes. And now your website is up and running with the new Beauty Product Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. Don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And don't forget to click to get those notifications. That way we can let you know every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.